kids! Today we're going to learn about 35 domestic animals, pets, farm animals, and animals that live with people. Let's begin. Dog. Loyal, friendly, and loves to play. Cat. Soft, independent, and purrs when happy. Hamster. Small, runs in a wheel, stores food in cheeks. Guinea pig. Cute rodent, loves vegetables and squeaks. Rabbit. Fast and fluffy with long ears. Parrot. Colorful bird that can copy words. Canary. Small bird with a beautiful song. Goldfish. Small fish that lives in an aquarium. Turtle. Slow with a hard shell for protection. Ferret. Playful and curious, loves to explore. Cow. Gives us milk, lives on farms. Horse. Strong and fast, used for riding. Donkey. Carries heavy loads, says hee-haw. Pig. Smart, playful, and loves mud. Sheep. Covered in wool, gives us warm clothes. Goat. Climbs rocks, gives milk and cheese. Chicken. Lays eggs, says cluck cluck. Rooster. Wakes people up with cock-a-doodle-doo. Duck. Loves water, says quack quack. Goose. Big bird with long neck, makes loud honks. Turkey. Large bird with wide tail feathers. Llama. Used to carry things in mountains. Alpaca. Related to llamas, gives soft wool. Camel. Ship of the desert, stores water in its body. Yak. Hairy animal from mountains, gives milk and wool. Pigeon. Can carry messages, smart bird. Swan. Elegant white bird, mates for life. Catfish. Farmed fish with whiskers. Carp. Popular fish in ponds and lakes. Silkworm. Small insect that makes silk threads. Bee. Lives in hives, makes honey. Reindeer. Domesticated in cold countries, pulls sleds. Ox. Strong animal used for plowing fields. Buffalo. Provides milk and helps on farms. Donkey. Mule. A mix of donkey and horse, very strong worker. Wow! We learned about 35 domestic animals today. Some live in our homes, some on farms, and some even in deserts and mountains. Which domestic animal is your favorite? Thanks for learning with me. See you next time!